General Santos City, a breeder of world champions.
All right.
Ito naman po si Dele Desierto with a record of 6 wins, 1 loss, and 1 knockout. He turned pro in July of last year, and in his first fight, na-knockout po siya. But after that, ito si Dele Desierto, sunod-sunod po ang kanyang panalo. 6 na sunod na panalo. Ito si Dele Desierto, kanya po ang record niya ay 6-1 after suffering his first his only loss in his professional debut.
Okay, maganda ito. Dalawang lefties, pareho silang kaliwete.
Aha.
So, this is going to be a good fight. Both of them very familiar with their styles. Walang opposing styles, kundi kaliwete sila pareho. So, let's see kung alin ang na-develop nilang mga punches because they're still young in their careers.
Well, partner, ito si Pacquiao he's holding his arms too low. He's exposing his face.
That's right, in the very first round.
Oo, at saka si Desierto, medyo maganda-ganda ang kanyang right jab.
Yes.
Medyo malutong.
Medyo baka
Yung jab
masingit,
nito,
masingitan ng left hook ito. Well, anyway, this is only the first round. Let's see kung how each of the fighters will be able to take advantage. Pero maganda rin ito. This is, well, another, dito pa rin tayo sa flyweight division. This is now a 6-rounder. Tingnan natin kung how these boxers will acquit themselves this time. Medyo malakas. Ilang 3 wins si Pacquiao. No KO pa, no, Kinito?
Aha.
Is just
Ito
won
si Pacquiao.
3, yes.
Wala pang nananakaw dito si Pacquiao.
Desierto was
Pinapakyaw
one
niya yung mga
knockout.
kalaban niya.
3-0. 3-0 siya. Oh, that's a good
tinamaan po
right.
si Pacquiao.
Yun na nga. Medyo that snapped his head back.
Yes, and Desierto's fighting out of that jab, which is setting up his big left hand. Magandang forma nito ni Desierto.
Yes.
Because his punches are short and chopping. Nice blows being thrown here by Dele Desierto.
Malakas din bumigay ito si
Pacquiao. Sa katawan. Sa katawan na naman ang atake ni Pacquiao.
This is a good match.
Yes, and you know, he has been able to stop Desierto from punching. I think Desierto's feeling the sting of those body punches.
Well, he was able to connect some strong ones.
Yes, and
Sa
Pacquiao
katawan.
is now aiming towards the head. May lakas din ito si Pacquiao. Let's not sell him short, mga kaibigan, despite the fact na ito si Pacquiao wala pang knockout sa kanyang record.
Okay, that's the end of the first round. Very impressive.
Magandang laban.
Yes.
Aha.
Look at the crowd here in the Mandaluyong Sports Complex. Dito po sa Mandaluyong City, punong-puno na po kami ngayon.
Partner, baka pwede na natin sabihin dito that boxing has definitely come back in a big way.
Yes,
dito
definitely.
po sa ating bayan. Now, we've had some downs. Gaya po nung nangyari nung lumaban si Morris East kay Robert
That's a black
Azuma.
mark.
Oo, pero after that, mga kaibigan, it looks like we still have enough talent in our pro ranks to sustain the interest. Ito po si Pacquiao, now on the attack. Wow!
Pacquiao on the attack. Na-solid po niya kanina si Desierto.
Desierto also fighting back. But
And,
Desierto now aiming at the midsection of Pacquiao.
Ayun, left. Dalawang sunod. Natamaan si Desierto, but he was able to come back. He is trying to come back.
And again, a combination from Pacquiao. And he sends Desierto reading against the ropes. Desierto is back in the corner. He's
That's
trapped.
right.
Desierto fighting out of the corner.
That's right. He was able to, he didn't stop fighting. Dahil he was stunned there.
Yes.
He was not hurt so much. He was able to fight back.
Well, Pacquiao is using that right hand now as a measuring device, but he has been able to connect with his left.
Yes.
Desierto also connected that time.
With an uppercut. Maganda. Fast and furious action from both these youngsters. And there's
once
another
more,
left.
yes, a left to the
Desierto's
jaw of
face.
Desierto.
Yeah. All right, this time.
Yes.
Desierto doesn't know how to take a punch. He doesn't fall into his own opponent. He doesn't clinch. He doesn't cover up.
Well, Pacquiao has been able to really pinpoint his target here in this round.
That's right. And Desierto trying to come back to score on his own. Medyo nanghina ng konti, no? Talagang ininda niya po yung dalawa, tatlong solid punches na tinamaan na tumama sa kanya. The crowd egging on Pacquiao.
Enjoying the action now.
That's
Pacquiao
right.
has been able to land that left repeatedly. Kasi bumababa yung kanan ng kamay ni ni Desierto. Kanya,
Maganda so far ang timing
Oo.
ni Pacquiao.
Oh, very, very well timed yung kanyang kaliwa. Although Desierto that time connected with a nice right hand.
Good fight between these two boxers. Maganda, sabayan, palitan.
Actually, may parang masamang bisyo ito si Pacquiao because he has a tendency to bring down his right arm. Pero ito si Desierto has not been able to take advantage of that. He should score with a left hook. Oy!
Umatras, umayaw. Umayaw
Oh my
bigla.
gosh!
Umayaw bigla.
Umayaw si Dele Desierto. Sabi niya, ayaw na niya.
The accumulation of the punches.
Hindi man lang bumagsak ito si
Yes,
Desierto.
hindi. Pero nasaktan na siyang masyado sa gulpi sa katawan
Oo.
at sa muka.
Hindi na niya kaya, mga kaibigan.
That's a
Umayaw.
surprise. A
Yes.
big surprise. He just turned his back on his opponent. Very, very surprising. Here it
Hindi
is.
man lang bumagsak.
But he was not under attack when he turned away.
Yes.
Wala.
But I think
Nasangga.
he was starting to feel the body
yes.
punches.
Body punches
Yun,
at saka sa
yun.
muka.
Hindi na niya kaya yung body punch.
Ayun,
Yun na.
umayaw na bigla. Yumuko
Oo.
nung tinamaan ng kanan. Yumuko siya.
He could not take the
Nagulat.
body punches.
Pati
Nagulat. Nagulat si
Pati si
Manny
Pacquiao.
Pacquiao.
Nagulat. Nung umayaw si
And
Desierto.
this is his fourth straight victory. Yan na po ang announcement.
Ladies and gentlemen, the time 2 minutes and 41 seconds. In the second round, winner by TKO.